Hello, my name is Ophélie. I am 19 years old. I live in Premec. I am in my first year of license of science, technical, physical activities of sports. Before being in this faculty, I was in the high school of Gustave Eiffel in Armentières, and I study laboratory science, including chemistry and physics. I choose to study at the sport and science faculty because I would like to become a teacher of adapted physical activities, more specifically with children suffering from obesity. This professional project will help obese children regain their shape and stable health. Sports is important to me because it allows me to burn calories, keep fit, share moments of complicity with teammates, but also reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease or avoid obesity and diabetes. I found sports important for me also because I always need to challenge me myself and to prove myself what I can do. I like to see me progress and progress beyond my limits. It makes me feel better, for example, to see myself doing something that seemed difficult or even impossible for me before. I have been practicing handball for 8 years. I started at the left back position in the Perunchy club for 2 years in category under 14 years old, mixed with girls and boys. Then I went to L'Homme Club in the other 15 female categories. I evoluted into the left back position on year in departmental and the second year in regional. Then I arrived in the under 18 team of the French Championships for 2 years. Those were the years that my pivotal career began. The next year, I was upgraded to National 3, which allowed me to progress further. We had a good championships, that's why we went to National 2. This year, I playing in National 2, but due to this sanitary situation and to the application of the shielding measure, we can't practice in the club with my teammates. Despite we practice the sport at home to keep fit and healthy, during the confinement with my team and my coach, we organized some workouts in video conference. It was funny and interesting, but a bit complicated to do some exercise alone at home. The human contact missing me. It was a real relief when we were able to start the sport again at the club. A week with me look like that. I train 4 times a week with a cardio session to avoid injuries. I also do weight training and a free specific handball session, and I also play weekends. When I could train indoor and with my team, I prefer to work my defense and my cardio with a special ball, especially by doing 4 against 4 on at the field. On my sporting life, I have several ambitions. For example, I want to evolve with my team in the upper division, the national one, as well as to train myself more and more. I want to develop my trainer level and train better team with better level and older people. I have chosen to present my match t-shirt to you as an important thing for me. On the t-shirt you can see my last name and my match number. I lost my parent 2 years ago, and it is important for me to continue the passion in which they had always seen me evolve and happy. In addiction, my last name represents my father, and the number on the jersey is the year of my mother's birth. They are my models, so I'm proud to represent them. Thank you. Goodbye.